So here we are. We got the Foam King ready to go. You can see I have my filthy, dirty car behind me. I want to thank the company for sending this out so I can do a review, show you guys how this works. So this is a nice foam sprayer. You're going to get the bottle here. Open this up. You're going to find your instructions, everything you need inside of there. First of all, we'll talk about this part. So you're going to have an adjustment right here. I believe it's going to go 1 through 5. So that is going to adjust the amount of foam and soap you're going to get out of this, depending on how much you want to shoot out at one time. Quick disconnect on the sprayer they're going to give you here. So you basically pull that down, lock it in. And then also, you know, they're using these a lot. We have a quick disconnect on our hose. So this is the little adapter. You can do your regular hose right in there, but if you have the quick disconnect, you're just going to put that in there like that and just pop that on and off your hose. Makes it really easy. I love that they include that because it works well for our hose. And you're going to have your foam spraying applicator here. So it's going to have 4 ridges around it. You're going to line those up inside of there with the ridges. Now you can have it spray, you know, wide this way, or turn it so you can go wide this way, up and down. I prefer the side to side, so I'll put it in like that. So when I'm foaming, I get a nice wide spread on my foam. So that's that. You're going to receive a nice sponge, car wash mitt, 2 different surfaces to choose from. Maybe wash the car with that side, the lower part of the car with that, where you get more dirt. However you want to use that, it's going to be great. And then you're also going to get your drying cloth chamois here. You can use that on the inside. You can dry your car with it. You can kind of do whatever you want with it, but you're going to get that as well. So let's get this thing hooked up and show you how it foams on the car. All right, so got the pre-wash done. We're all set up to spray our foam. Just to show you our hose here, I put the quick disconnect attachment on here, so it makes it really easy to connect. Got everything hooked up, so I'm ready to go. So let's get some foam going and show you how this works. All right, so we got our foam on. I'm going to take our nice wash mitt they include, dip that in some water, and get scrubbing. So yeah, stuff's great. I love it. Great way to apply soap to your car. Spreads it out nice and evenly. And yeah, highly recommend it. If you're somebody that likes to take care of your car, wash it a lot like I do, especially this time of the year, a lot of pollen. This is the way to do it. Foam King, awesome.